The geopolitical landscape of the Eastern Mediterranean has once again entered a period of heightened alert as Turkey moved decisively to strengthen its military presence on the divided island of Cyprus. In early March 2026, the Turkish Ministry of National Defense confirmed the deployment of 6 F-16 fighter jets and supporting air defense systems to the self-declared Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, TRNC. The move came amid rising regional tensions following reports that an Iranian-linked drone targeted a British military installation on the island only days earlier. According to Turkish officials, the deployment represents a precautionary measure designed to reinforce the security of northern Cyprus and safeguard key military infrastructure and allied assets operating in the eastern Mediterranean. The arrival of the fighter jets marked one of the most visible military reinforcements in the region since the latest escalation in Middle Eastern hostilities began. The aircraft reportedly flew from mainland Turkey to the northern part of the island and were stationed at Ercan International Airport near Nicosia, the administrative capital of the TRNC. Military footage released by Turkish broadcasters showed the sleek multi-role jets landing in formation before being prepared for operational readiness by ground crews. Analysts noted that the aircraft appeared configured for combat air patrol missions, suggesting their primary role would involve defending airspace and intercepting potential drone or missile threats that could approach the island from surrounding conflict zones. The immediate catalyst for the deployment was a dramatic security incident that took place the previous week when an Iranian-made drone reportedly struck a British Royal Air Force base on the southern part of Cyprus. The target of the attack was RAF Akrotiri, one of the United Kingdom's 2 sovereign base areas on the island and a critical logistics hub for Western military operations in the Middle East. Although the strike caused limited damage and no casualties were reported, the incident shocked regional governments and underscored how the widening conflict between Iran and its adversaries could spill over into the eastern Mediterranean. Cyprus occupies a uniquely strategic position at the crossroads of Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa. For decades, the island has served as a forward operating location for NATO countries and Western allies conducting operations across the Levant and the Persian Gulf. RAF Akrotiri in particular has been used extensively by British and American forces to support missions in Syria, Iraq, and other parts of the Middle East. Because of this strategic importance, any threat to Cyprus, especially from drones or missiles linked to the broader Iran-related conflict, raises alarms among European and NATO defense planners. The drone strike prompted immediate discussions among regional governments about strengthening air defense coverage across the island. Greece responded by deploying additional military assets, including fighter jets and naval vessels, to help protect the internationally recognized Republic of Cyprus in the southern part of the island. France also announced plans to dispatch elements of a carrier strike group to the region, along with advanced anti-drone and anti-missile defense systems designed to counter emerging aerial threats. The flurry of deployments reflected a growing consensus among Western allies that Cyprus could become a new flashpoint in the broader Middle Eastern conflict. Against this backdrop, Turkey's decision to deploy fighter jets to northern Cyprus represented both a defensive measure and a powerful political signal. Ankara has long maintained a substantial military presence in the northern part of the island, which it recognizes as an independent state but which the rest of the international community considers part of the Republic of Cyprus. Since Turkey's military intervention in 1974, thousands of Turkish troops have remained stationed in the territory to guarantee its security. The arrival of F-16 fighters therefore adds a new layer of air power to an already significant Turkish military footprint on the island. Officials from the Turkish Defense Ministry described the deployment as part of a phased security plan aimed at responding to evolving threats in the region. In a statement released shortly after the jets arrived, the ministry said the move was intended to increase the security of the Turkish Cypriot community and protect critical infrastructure in northern Cyprus. The ministry also indicated that additional measures could be implemented if the regional situation deteriorated further. Military experts note that the F-16 Fighting Falcon remains one of the most versatile and widely used fighter aircraft in the world. Originally developed by the United States in the 1970s, the jet has undergone decades of upgrades and modernization, transforming it into a highly capable multi-role platform capable of air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and advanced reconnaissance operations. The Turkish Air Force operates one of the largest fleets of F-16s outside the United States, and the aircraft form the backbone of Turkey's air defense network. In the context of the Cyprus deployment, The jets are expected to conduct regular patrols over the eastern Mediterranean and maintain quick reaction alert status in case unidentified drones or missiles approach the island. Equipped with advanced radar systems and air-to-air missiles, the aircraft can detect and intercept aerial threats long before they reach sensitive installations. This capability is particularly important given the increasing use of unmanned aerial vehicles in modern warfare. Drone technology has transformed the battlefield over the past decade, allowing both state and non-state actors to conduct long-range attacks at relatively low cost. Iranian-designed drones, including the widely known Shahid series loitering munitions, have been used extensively in conflicts across the Middle East and Eastern Europe. Their ability to fly long distances and strike targets with precision has made them a major concern for military planners around the world. The attack on RAF Akrotiri highlighted just how vulnerable even heavily defended installations can be to drone strikes. Although air defense systems are capable of intercepting many unmanned aircraft, small drones can sometimes slip through defensive networks, particularly when launched from nearby locations or flown at low altitude. By deploying F-16 fighters capable of intercepting drones before they reach the island, Turkey hopes to create an additional layer of protection for northern Cyprus and surrounding airspace. The deployment also reflects broader strategic calculations within Ankara regarding the shifting balance of power in the eastern Mediterranean. Over the past decade, the region has become increasingly militarized as countries compete for influence, energy resources, and security partnerships. Disputes over maritime boundaries, natural gas exploration, and military alliances have frequently brought Turkey into tension with Greece, Cyprus, and several European Union members. In recent years, however, the regional focus has expanded beyond traditional geopolitical rivalries to include the growing threat posed by drones, missiles, and asymmetric warfare.